One unexpected click, one rogue attachment. That's all it takes to trigger a full-blown cyber incident. When that moment hits, what your business does next matters most. The first step is detection. Pay close attention to alerts, unusual logins, suspicious file behavior, or staff reporting odd system issues. Once you detect a potential threat, confirm it fast and initiate your response protocol. Next, containment. Disconnect compromised devices, disable breached accounts, block malicious IP addresses. Move quickly to stop the spread, but preserve evidence for investigation. Alert your incident response team, IT leaders, legal advisors, and communications team. Time is critical, and so is alignment. Internal coordination can make or break your response. Now assess the scope. What systems were touched? What data was accessed? Was this external or internal? This is where forensic review begins, looking deep into logs and vulnerabilities. If sensitive data was exposed, you may be legally obligated to notify customers, partners, or regulators. Know your local laws. Transparency and responsibility are vital, especially when trust is at stake. With containment done, it's time to remove the threat, eradicate malware, close vulnerabilities, and reset all affected credentials. Rebuild clean environments using secure backups. Now bring your business back online. Restore from backups, test every function, and monitor for any signs of reinfection. Communicate clearly with your team and your customers. Finally, conduct a full post-incident review. What went wrong? What worked? What needs to change? Update your plans, improve your defenses, and train your team using real lessons. A cyber attack can be devastating, but with the right response plan, it doesn't have to be. CyberBark is here to help your business stay ready before, during, and after a breach.